Guangdong Hande Precision Machinery Company Limited is an innovative high-tech enterprise for air compressor, R&D, manufacturing, and marketing. We specialized in the production of the newest generation of the most energy-efficient and intelligent screw air compressor. We focus on the R&D and production of two-stage air compressors, permanent magnetic frequency conversion air compressors, and other energy-saving air compressors. We have the normative and modern assembly workshop with the advanced automation processing equipment. More than 30 of sales outlets of Hande are distributed throughout the country, providing our customers with professional and excellent service. Now, we are actively striving to develop international market. Hande's compressors are exported to Asia, the Middle East, Eastern Europe, and other countries. Over the years, with technology as the forerunner, self-RD products as the core, and talent advantages, Hande has created one after another miracle in the air compressor industry. It grows into an excellent air compressor production enterprises. Hande owns a number of patents and certifications. Relying on years of rich experience in the industry of air compressor and mastery of international technology, it has developed a professional research and development team of screw air compressor, constantly innovating to create the most efficient and energy-saving air compressor suitable for customer needs. Hande adheres to the quality excellence, pursuit of perfection, and demonstrates excellent performance with details through production and management. The introduction of international advanced automatic processing equipment to ensure product stability and reliability strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management system.